Now take a look at this. I'm just about to buy a coffee with a little bit of a special twist. This company is called Robot Anno. Take a look at this. Meet the smart hotel cleaning robot, a cutting-edge AI-powered cleaning machine designed to transform the
Bro, if you're watching this, there's a very big high chance that you have already lost your job. If you're watching this in February 2025, you've lost your job without knowing it. And very soon, your company is going to announce that they are doing a massive layoff. They will just come up with a name for it, downsizing. They're financially struggling. And like, they have found out a machine that can replace you. And these ones that you saw are just the physical machines. What of the AI? Many jobs have already been wiped out. People don't just know it yet. Their management has not figured out that such an AI exists yet. And before the end of this year, they're going to figure out and they're going to fire a lot of people. For instance, news media that write news. Many of their writers and supposed journalists, they're out of job already. They don't know AI can write the damn news. Number two, the presenters. AI can now model and present like a presenter and speak on TV and everything and choose a Nigerian voice and give the news. And you are telling me they'll be paying presenters millions? No, they'll hire AI for $25 and it will do it perfectly free. And it will look like a human being, 100%. You understand? So there are other ones. Many jobs are out. You know, surveyor. When you want to buy a land, you pay surveying fee. My brother, surveyors jobs are gone. Very soon now, AI can be inserted inside a drone, and it will fly over the land and survey the whole place. You understand? Nobody needs surveyors again. A lot of things are gone. Look at the ones we just saw now. The first one, of course, was obviously VFX, the one of cutting grass. We already have machines that cut grass. Many grass cutters are out of business already for years now. You know, we have tractors, we have machines that till the soil. So hand farming that people do is now a very extremely low paying jobs you can only find in the villages. So look at hotel room service, which used to be a job that looks so complex that AI can replace it. Has replaced it. Robots have replaced it. The room service will bring food to you. It will enter an elevator by itself and it will come to your door and ring the bell by itself and bring food, serve you food. And it will come back. You can call it like Uber from within the hotel. So, hotel room service, the AI can dress your bed, it can clean the bathrooms, it can do everything. So, that hotel room service is gone. The job is gone. Very soon now, we're going to be having like two-man hotel, three-man hotel, a hotel that is only run by one man or two men. We're going to have hotels that nobody is inside. From the help desk to all the room service, everything is AI controlled. Nobody will be inside. Even the cook in the kitchen is AI. So now your question will be, where are all the people that used to work in hotels? Where would they work? My brother, their work is gone forever. Even drivers. Now we know that some cities in the US already have driverless cars. How long do you think it would take for that technology to get to Nigeria? It's already here. I saw a Tesla Cybertruck the other day. You understand? The way Google Map is here in the country, it will just fuse into Google Map. All of a sudden, it can now drive in the streets by itself. Many Uber drivers will lose their money. Do you know how much Uber has invested in driverless cars? Because they can see clearly from 5, 10 years ago that their business is going to go out of business, right? So they are inventing cars. So Uber itself will one day announce that they are firing many drivers. They don't need drivers again. See, somebody's gonna come with a package that you can append to a steering and to a steering wheel and to a pedal of any car. All of a sudden, it can now drive the car. You understand? It will not be. We will not have driverless cars separately. We're gonna have just a package like a contraption like this. You fuse it, screw it to the steering wheel, screw it to the three pedals. You know, bring out the camera, paste it on the screen, put at the back of the car by the sides, and the car can now drive itself. The Tesla Cybertruck does not connect with wires. All this one that something will damage in your car, you'll be looking for a wire. The wire job is gone. Nothing like rewire in Tesla Cybertruck. Because the electronic equipment uses Wi-Fi to connect to each other. They don't use cable. So you can't run cable from the front lights to the back of the car. And all those brain bug, you don't go. So gradually, things are changing. A lot of people will just gradually wake up one day and their entire business is gone. There's an app that is called Be My Eyes, right? In that app, if you it's like a social media but for blind people, but people with sight can log in. You can even try it. You log in, you'll see blind people there requesting. When you click, you will now see a video. The blind person will ask you, they will on their camera. The blind person will on their camera and they'll be moving their camera around their house. You help them identify what they're looking for. You understand? Somebody was telling me the other day that a blind person wanted to count money. He wanted to be sure that the note he has is 100 naira versus 1,000 naira, you know? So he helped the blind guy to tell which ones is 100 naira, which one is 1,000. Just in Nigeria, helped him sort it. It's a global app, but you can access it from Nigeria. So that app just raised 6 point something million dollars last month, January, so that they can grow. But OpenAI, the ChatGPT app, has already added video. So ChatGPT can now see. I tried it the other day. I was driving, I on it on my phone through the windscreen and asked it with my voice from my phone, oh, where am I? It told me exactly. First of all, it denied that it doesn't know. It said it's not advised to use it while driving. I said, okay, but let's say me, I'm lost. Can just tell me where. It told me exactly where I am. This thing can read the signposts. It knows the street I was. Without using Google Map, it just read everything in the street. Bro, so that app is dead on arrival. Very soon now, the builders of that app will be forced to, or people will realize that they can do the same thing with OpenAI. Just click on video and OpenAI can tell. Let me tell you, the other day, right? We had a meter and we were trying to get the meter number. There were so many numbers on the meter, so many codes and everything. So we didn't know which one was the meter number. And we're now thinking, okay, so we're going to send it to the office of the electricity company so that they will help us, you know. And something came to my mind. I said, let's use OpenAI. We just use ChatGPT on the camera. ChatGPT told us the meter number. It looked at it immediately and said the meter number is this, that it's located at the lower left of the corner. This more. People don't just know yet, but give it time, people will know and jobs will be gone forever. In fact, people like Elon Musk, they're already discussing that there's going to be something called universal basic income because there will be so much massive job loss that government will be forced to start paying citizens basic income every month. You just get salary. Now that's nice, but there's a problem, right? First problem is that, look, um, it's the first world countries that will start it first, like the Americas, the UKs, the Chinas, maybe the Russians, who knows. It will take about 10, 20 years before it's going to get to Africa countries, third world countries like Africa. So there's going to be massive job loss for years. People will not know what to do. People will not know what to do for many years. And these will be educated people. Do you want to go to UK when they now have robots that clean nyash of old people? Because that's what is they are doing there now. You know, care job. I'm telling you, they are going to build robots that will do that, and all those care jobs will just vanish one day. Many of the jobs people are doing, cleaning, working at the warehouse, they will just buy a Chinese robot and it will do the work of. I saw it a company that manufactures plates. You know all those iron plates, like all these ceramic plates, right? The man was saying that he had a staff of 20 staff, three managers, 17 normal staff that helped to manage, arrange the plates and pack it. They had a production line and he contracted somebody and the person built a robot for him. Three robots, they were identical. So the robot had hands to just pick the plate, arrange it, pam, pam, pam. He fired 17 staff. All the junior level staff, there was no need for them. All of them were fired. So now he now had only three managers, which are basically the sales agents and the accountant, and even the accountant is going to be replaced. Do you know that some tech jobs are gone forever? Machine learning engineers, they are all gone. Um, there's this one that they call data analytics is gone. Now you just need to upload the Excel file to ChatGPT and it will do the data analytics for you and give you back a complete Excel file. If you're watching this, you need to make investments because only the investors are gonna